So a lot of you guys are going to wonder why some of your favorite YouTubers have been posting so much during December and maybe even a couple months before that. But the whole point of getting to the end of December, getting to the month of December when it comes to YouTube is making sure you have content loaded up and ready to go. Why? That's because advertisers and people who are paying money to YouTube, they spend more money on ads because of the holidays. And that's when people are ready to spend money. Same thing with any other social media. You know, YouTube, we talk about YouTube on this channel specifically because a lot of you guys want to be YouTubers and things like that follow this channel. So, like I said, you're going to wonder why people like Dodash, some of your favorite YouTubers are just posting 3, 4, 5 videos a day. And that's because their RPMs have went from $5 to $8 to 15, $15, $16 per thousand per thousand views. So I would say now, if you're looking to start on YouTube, I would start now. There's no reason to wait. A lot of people are going to hesitate to post this month because of advertisers are going to not pay as much. So for you, it's a good time to just get in and post as much as you want, post as much as you can, and kind of just get ready for the end of the year, the last quarter. I guarantee you that's when you're going to make the most money on YouTube. Unfortunately, as you guys know, my main channel was not ready for that this year. Kind of sucks because you work for it all year. And then you get to like the real money making season at the end of the year. That's when holidays are, Christmas, things like that, New Year's. And that's when you're going to make the most money. So what I would say now is forget what you did in the past. Start now. Build up your channel, build up that audience, get into the niche you want to get into, and just be ready for the end of the year as far as the last 3 to 4 months. That's when you're going to start seeing a lot of money on YouTube. You can make money. You can make a lot of money still throughout the year. But just imagine if you're making $10,000 all year, every month consistently, that's going to be $20,000 to $25,000 for December, and maybe going to, you could count like October to December for sure. That's when people are going to be spending the most money on advertisement. So companies, businesses, that's what they're looking for. Obviously, I don't have to get into the niche situation on where you're going to make the most money as far as the content you decide to post and want to be in or whatever the case is. But just be ready. And I know I see a lot of comments and things like that. Why are they posting so much? Especially Dodash. Why is she posting so much? Why is she posting so much? That is the reason. I don't blame her. Take advantage of the opportunity. Take advantage of the advertisers. And that's when they're putting out the most money. Same thing with Snapchat. Snapchat was paying crazy amounts this year. I'm seeing some of these analytics. It's just ridiculous. So just expect to fall off for the next month and a half. I would say mid February to March. That's when advertisers will pick up a little bit more as far as pay goes. Unless you're in the finance niche, that's never really going to drop. But if you're in like a regular vlog or do this or do it yourself niche or anything like that, or fashion, all that stuff is going to drop 100%. So get in, start posting, get ready for the end of the year. And yeah, man, whatever you guys want to do this year, you guys can accomplish it. Start off fresh, start off with a good mindset. You guys will see me on this channel a lot more. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys that this channel specifically that I'm on is not monetized. And that's just a goal for me. I've been posting on this channel for 2 years. Very inconsistent. But, we're at 792 subscribers on this channel. But obviously I need 3,000 more watch hours to be monetized on this channel. And this channel is more in the finance niche and teaching you guys how to do YouTube and Turo and things like that. So I'm excited to see what my RPMs will be once I am monetized. So that's really all I got. I'm gonna keep this one short. Just that is the reason you guys are seeing a lot of people post in December. And I'm telling you now, you're gonna see a fall off because they're gonna make the most money they've made on YouTube this past month, and now they're gonna get the check this month. So I'm telling you, a lot of people are gonna take a little bit of a break, kind of reevaluate themselves, and kind of enjoy the hard work that they put into December. That's why you're starting to see a lot of subathons and things like that on Twitch. That's because advertisers are paying so much money during December and holiday season. So get to it, man. If you guys need help with anything, let me know down below. Until then, I'm going to catch you on the next one. I'm out.